hello. I don't even know what day it is. And I almost never know what day it is. I know it's Monday, June 29th, 2020. I'm Lindsay Duff, and this is Responsible Day Trading. As you can see, I'm not in my usual spot. I am working from my bed. I have 3 pins, boom, 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 sticking out of my foot. It is what it is, right? They say it's going to be anywhere between 6 and 8 weeks before they take those out. Tomorrow will be week 1. So I'm trying to think very positive. I'm trying to eat healthy since I'm not exercising. I haven't taken any pain pills in 2 days. Does it hurt? Somewhat. There's metal coming out of my foot. So, I mean, what you gonna do about that, right? So, remember tomorrow is the last day to take advantage of 30% off for June for you profit trader, and we do have a couple of openings for responsible day trading. So I'm still here, I'm still kicking. I have some homework to do for some students after this today, but I figured I have been away from the market for over a week. It's time to check it out. So let's go ahead and peep out that market. Let's start off with the daily chart. I haven't even looked at news, so give me a second to look at that. Oh, would you looky here? It pulled away and tried to push back up. I really haven't looked at this since about no, we were right about here. It's been a few days. It pulled away. We're at the 0 line. We're at the EMAs. We've pulled right into those EMAs that are spreading apart. We're trying to do a double bar. Let's pull this back a little bit and just kind of get a overall look at it all. I'll give this one an opportunity. I may be a little early because it's been a while and I tend to jump the gun. Yeah. Okay. It's all right. That's okay. There we go. Now I'm going to go 1 tick above the break even. I'm going to go ahead and hit close. Potential reversal bar to push this back down with the BB still purple. Really want to give this one a chance. I'm going to. Ooh, it pulled down right as I was giving it a chance. I need to sit up. Kind of leaned over a little weird. And did not break through. It's pulling back down and it stopped it out. So did I move my risk a little early? Maybe just a little bit. I'm gonna give this one a chance. I know we're right into this area. We got a lot of strength down here. I really should have been in this a couple ticks earlier. Pull it in little by little as these, I'm going to hit close here, I think. These are starting to pop up off this area. I'm not loving it. Let's See if it'll grab me back here. There we go. Just slowing and rolling. Right at the 0 line. It's held here several times. I just let myself think that it was going to the downside because I was a little freaked out. I like the way that we're still leading a little bit higher here, a little bit higher here. It is struggling a bit, but it's still showing us the ability to go up, and that's pretty much why I was like, I'm not going to hold this short one. Well, it's not my best trading, y'all, but you know, I've been away for a little bit. I'll be lenient on myself. I'm going to give this another opportunity. These BBs are showing us, yeah, more strength down for right now. Let's just get prepared for the next one. Kind of want to give this one another shot. Yeah, I got a little overexcited. So that's 2 in a row. That's okay. Trying to take that one out, but it did not work. This is our gosh dang ridiculous. It's really starting to pop down, yeah. That reversal bar potential, without it pushing up, was what had me bring it in a little bit more. So a couple of these trades took me for way bigger than I expected. 1.5, 1.75, which gives me 1.5 more of a loss than I expected. That was a lot of trades. Why only 23? Oh, because 2 got taken out here, so 24. So 12 trades, 6.75 points. That's a lot for me. Whew. The struggle. The struggle. Another thing here is I definitely had signs for a lot of these trades that I ignored. Is it an ego thing? Is it that I haven't traded in a few days and I really wanted things to work out? Okay, y'all. Got my glasses back. Found them just a little while ago. They were in with my sunglasses. Who would have known? I'm getting really uncomfortable sitting up like this with things, so I'm gonna shut it down for a little bit. This is definitely trading longer than I normally do, but under the circumstances, I'm not frustrated with myself. I've had surgery less than a week ago. I got 3 pins sticking out my foot. I gotta be careful the way I move it. I'm using crutches. I tried to use a walker, but it doesn't fit into the bathroom. I'm crutches bound upstairs. So to go up and down the stairs, I've got to crawl. I got to crawl up the stairs, and then I go down on my butt, and then I have a scooter that takes me around to the kitchen. I've left the house twice, both with a scooter. It was kind of nice just to go to the doctor. And I'm gonna let myself continue to recover. It's a little tough because, with someone like me, I want to just be go, go, go. I want to be able to have the freedom to do what I want to do. But at the same time, it's 6 to 8 weeks out of my life. It's not like this is going to be going on forever. I think to myself about every time that something happens and I'm looking at, feeling sad or feeling down. I'm like, I just keep telling myself it could be worse. It could be worse, right? And then it usually gets a little worse. And then I tell myself it could be worse. So it is what it is, guys. I hope everybody has a wonderful Monday. I will hopefully be back over in that spot before long because I'm tired of sitting on my bed. I want to get up and move, but I'm just going to take it for what it is. My friend who's supposed to be helping me with meals probably has COVID. That is gonna change things. There'll be a lot more trips up and down the stairs on my bottom. My kids are leaving for 2 weeks today. I'm gonna cry. It'll be all right. I changed my word to say I am far better off healed than I ever was unbroken. So I'm just going to remember that. It'll be fine. Expect to see me around more often, hopefully with a little bit better trading than I did today. It will be fine. I will be fine. It will be fine. Okay, well, with that mantra, I'm gonna wrap this up, especially because I lost my internet connection for a minute and it came back, and then I just want to make sure everything's on point properly. I've got a lot of things that I can take care of and work on and do while I'm down. So that's what I'll do. But otherwise, guys, I hope everybody has a fabulous Monday. Have a wonderful week. 4th of July is coming up. People may already be doing a little, taking their vacation days. Even though they're not leaving their houses, they may be taking vacation days. So for the 4th of July coming up this next weekend. So have a wonderful day, everybody. Treat everyone with kindness. Remember, we never know what people are going through. Yeah. And as always, y'all, as you know, I look forward to catching you on the healed side. I also look forward to catching you on the profitable side.